Reggae artist Nesbeth is back with a new single dubbed Stay Oh Me Stay Yeah Man.
Yeah man, me we go and stay on me stay now man. Work every day and pray yeah man. Low profile like bass yeah man. Trench town youths on me stay yeah man.
The track has created quite a buzz on the scene since the track was released in June. Now the My Dream singer is grateful for the feedback he has been receiving from his fans.
Honestly, honest to God, the reception is overwhelming. And I'm really and truly have to thank the people too, because from people get the song, them start send it out, them start share it, them start blast it. You know, my inbox full. People are telling me which line of them favorite line. People are telling me say, yo Nesbeth, come like a God send you that song and something else. You know what I say? So trust me, I am really and truly honored by and I am humbled by the reception that I've been receiving for the song. And it give me the urge to continue, to be there, keep doing what I do best, make music where I stand the test of time, you know.
Nesbeth has a lot of plans in store for his fans this summer.
It's local and international. Of course, you know, the place has been locked down for quite some time. So the people them want back them good music, the people them want to see them artists. So guess what? We're going to be all over the place. But in between time, I'll be recording some new stuff and some new material I got unleashed, said speed.
Stay Oh Me Stay is available on all streaming platforms. Now, action film Fast and Furious 9 has hit a major box office milestone. The Universal movie released this April has surpassed 500 million global ticket sales, making it the first US-produced film to do so since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic.
All right, Dom, what's next?
No matter how fast you are,
I am not to be compared to you.
no one outruns their past.
Ludacris responded to the news on Instagram in his post that stated, quote, "500 million in only 11 days. Wow! Sincerely thank you to every fan around the world that bought a ticket and supported this movie," end quote. The movie boasts a star-studded cast, which includes Vin Diesel, John Cena, Tyrese Gibson, and rapper Cardi B, among others. Now, yesterday, news broke that actress Suzanne Douglas died at the age of 64. When They See Us director Ava DuVernay led the tributes describing her as a gem of a lady, confident, caring, who breathed a life into the words and made them shimmer. Taraji P. Henson also paid tribute to the late actress, saying that she graced so many amazing films over the decades and her beautiful spirit will be missed. Douglas is known for her role in the US sitcom Parenthood and Netflix's When They See Us. She was also credited in other films, which include The Inkwell and How Stella Got Her Groove Back. The cause of Suzanne Douglas's death has not been disclosed. I'm Day